Clean and protect your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste to brush your teeth for 2 minutes each time. Brushing in the morning and before bed helps remove plaque and prevent tooth decay. Floss daily. Flossing removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth and along the gum line. Be sure to floss gently and thoroughly to maintain healthy gums. Use mouthwash. Rinse your mouth with an antibacterial mouthwash to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Look for a mouthwash that contains fluoride to help strengthen your teeth. Maintain a balanced diet. Limit sugary and acidic foods and drinks, as they can contribute to tooth decay. Instead, eat a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Drink plenty of water. Water helps rinse away food particles and stimulates saliva production, which neutralizes acids and helps protect your teeth. Limit coffee and tea consumption. These beverages can stain your teeth over time. If you do consume them, consider using a straw to minimize contact with your teeth, and rinse your mouth with water afterward. Avoid tobacco products. Smoking or chewing tobacco can lead to gum disease, tooth discoloration, and even oral cancer. Quitting tobacco is essential for maintaining good oral health. Visit your dentist regularly. Schedule regular dental checkups and cleanings to detect any oral health issues early on. Your dentist can also provide professional cleanings to remove stubborn plaque and tartar. Consider dental sealants. Sealants are thin protective coatings applied to the chewing surfaces of molars to prevent tooth decay. Ask your dentist if sealants are appropriate for you or your children. Protect your teeth during sports. If you play sports, wear a mouthguard to protect your teeth from injury. Custom-fitted mouthguards offer the best protection. Don't use your teeth as tools. Avoid using your teeth to open packages or bite into hard objects, as this can cause chips, fractures, or even tooth loss. Brush your tongue. Gently brush your tongue or use a tongue scraper to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. Chew sugar-free gum. Chewing sugar-free gum stimulates saliva flow, which helps wash away food particles and neutralize acids in your mouth. Consider fluoride treatments. Your dentist may recommend fluoride treatments to strengthen your tooth enamel and prevent tooth decay. Practice stress management. Chronic stress can contribute to teeth-grinding bruxism, which can lead to tooth damage. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a professional. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene and regular dental care are key to keeping your teeth clean, healthy, and protected. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share, and subscribe.